The part 2. Okay, we're in the same location. The green thingy. There. The green thingy. My feet. The person Okay.
You can see me in your shadow.
So moving on. My shadow is like an emo girl. And I'm gothic, which looks like an emo. But still, she's emo. Ouch! My back! Oh! Let's see if there's persons, stuffs, background music, auditor, whatever. Oh, there's the she again. Ah, the part 1 is much better. We were killing each other, but now she's the only one who's killing me. Ah! Stop it. See? She's a murderer. Beware of this. Ooh! The green thing. Yeah, whatever. Oh my god. What are you doing with my hair, you stupid? See? She's emo. Woo! The murderer is got. Okay, the murderer is behind me again. So, I think you can see her doing something with my hair. There. And I'm so bored. I'm so bored. Peace. Peace to you all. And she's talking Tagalog now. She's
Stay there.
doing something with my hair.
And I'm fixing your hair.
She's fixing my hair.
I'm fixing your hair.
And I'm gonna fix her hair too. Oh my god, what are you doing with me? She's harassing me.
I'm reaching you. And the furry ball is walking with us.
There. The furry ball. Hey! I know. Let's play the furry ball. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Uh-huh. Oh! You wanna learn the machete dance? Let's do it! Wait!
No!
Stop it, you idiot!
I'm not an idiot.
Okay, stop it, stupid.
I'm not. Yeah, I'm stupid.
Okay, let's do the machete.